Hi, I'm Mike Bellafiore, and welcome to SMBU's Trading Tip of the Day. One of the things that I try and write about and do videos about is the interaction that I have with pro traders who are trying to get better, guys that are good, making consistently good money, who are trying to get to that next level, and then also traders who are coming up the curve, people who haven't made it, who are trying to do that. And I like to share the stories and the struggles, the talks behind closed doors, the things they say to me, and we always keep that anonymous. I never reveal who the trader really is, and we talk in broad strokes about them. But I think that that's a contribution that I can offer to the trading community that's unique to a lot of other people, because look, that's what we do. We are here trying to get guys to become pro traders. We are here as a P&L firm trying to get guys who are making money to make more. That's our business. And I had a really interesting discussion, which is a great learning lesson for you and for all of us in the trading community, from a really terrific senior trader. And that trader had made a really big trade in this NEWL yesterday, made a really big short play in NEWL, and ended up losing over $3,000 in the trade. And after the close, I sent him an email and said, great trade. I really love the trade that you made. And you might be sitting there saying, Mike, he lost $3,000. What was so good about that trade? I don't want that trade. I don't want to make $3,000 losing trades. But as a trader, and what I wrote about in One Good Trade, your job is to do the right thing. Your job is to make one good trade. You're going to make trades that are not going to work out, but they can be very, very good trades. And you might want to do them again. And in this case, I wanted to encourage the trader to make that same trade again. And I love the size. I love the way he pushed outside of his comfort zone and got really big in this trade, which offered a really excellent risk reward. So his downside ended up being a little bit over $3,000, but his upside, his reward, was multiples of that $3,000. And I love the fact that the reversal trade that he made was in this NEWL, which has been up from about 80 cents. It's gapped up over 3 days in a row. It's gone up a ton. And it certainly is a candidate, and was a candidate yesterday, to roll over and sell off well over $1. And he saw it. There really was a spot in that NEWL. It can't get above 450. It goes down. You see a deep red candle to 420. The next up move doesn't actually get to that 450, okay? So you actually have a situation where that high is lower, okay? So you have that lower high, and we get below that 420. The stock is rolling over. We like to say it's rolling over. It's showing you that it really is weak. He's not just shorting into strength and blindly determining that he has found in his infinite wisdom that this is the top for a stock. No, the stock is showing weakness, and he has that definitive stop above that 450, and he's putting on good size, and it's rolling over, and it's getting below the lows of the day into that deep red candle. So 450 is our line in the sand, makes a huge down move for a $4 stock with a deep red candle, can't get back up to that 450, starts to show the weakness. Good place to put on a lot of size. And the trader lost in that trade, and lost a decent amount of money. And the difference and the lesson is what happened next. What happened next with this trader makes all the difference between the average trader and the successful trader. What that trader did was start to talk to me about the trade, talk to his outside trading coach about what he did well and what he could do better, how he could have minimized his losses, and how he could have made even more money if the trade had started working. And after he got out of the trade and covered and took his losses, how he could have re-entered if he saw certain things. The point is, the trader was working on his trading game. The trader was growing. The trader had a growth mindset. The trader was getting better. The trader was learning from this experience. That's unique. If we take 10 traders and train them from scratch, there might be one person out of 10. If we took 10 random people who are involved in trying to get better at trader out there in the retail universe. There might be one person who's willing to think like that senior trader, who's willing to grow from each trade, to learn from each trade, to learn from each day, to learn from each month. There might be 1 out of 10. But yet, that might be the single most important attribute that a trader can have. I'm often asked, what attribute I want to see. That's it, a growth mindset. Because the markets are always going to change, because you always have to get better. The strategies we use today are not going to work tomorrow. You're going to have to change. You're going to have to adapt. Traders today are being challenged to learn technology, to be bionic, to build auto strategies that they never have had to do in the past. Traders today have to fight against HFTs and computerized trading programs, which they've never had to do in the past. And we constantly have to evolve and grow and learn. This was a great example of one good trade where the trader lost a lot of money. This is a great example of the mindset, learning from each trade, growing each day, that you ought to have in your trading. So hope that helps. We'll see you soon. Hi, I'm Mike Bellafiore, author of The Playbook and One Good Trade, co-founder of SMBU and SMB Capital here in New York City. If you want to learn more about SMB, please go check out smbu.com. Check out our blog where we share tons of trading tips, trading stories, trades we're in, trading anecdotes, and also take the time to sign up for our 10-day free training program, which we offer to the trading community at smbu.com. We hope you enjoy it. We hope to see you on the site. Trade well.